Hello everyone, my name is Ashwini and today is my birthday. So I'm starting something special for myself. So this is day one of my learning English journey. So you know what? I can speak English, but I'm not perfect in English. My fluency is not good at. So sometimes I try to speak in English, but I forget words. I know vocabularies, and I make a lot of mistakes. I broke sentence while speaking, and that time I feel confused sometimes how to structure English sentence and it all. I know chunks vocabulary, but the thing is when speaking and fluently, my sound is not come out. I'm not able to speak fluent in English, so that's why I'm starting 30 days challenge for myself. Each and every day I learn English, but one day I learn English, I practice English, and next day I will upload on this channel my real learnings. I don't cut any part of that videos. I don't hide my mistakes because we are learners, and I'm not perfect in English, and I'm here to improve my fluency, my speaking. So that's why we will work on your fluency speaking. You know what? This is my Indian accent. I'm not focusing on my accent because I want to fluent in English, and after 30 days I will be fluent in English. That time I will work on my accent. So this is Indian accent, and if you want to learn English, and if you want to improve your English, be the part of this journey. And if you have any suggestion about this learning, and if you have any doubt, so ask me in comment, tell me in comment, so I will definitely reply you. Let's learn English together and be the part of this journey. And in this journey we learn so many things. We learn on reading, on listening, how to use chat gpt to learn English and it all. And in this journey, you know, I live in village. No one speaks English around me, and I don't have any partner to speak English, to practice English each other. So we use chat gpt. In that time no need anyone to practice English. You can learn English alone. So I will prove in this journey how we can learn English alone, and I'm trying to improve my fluency in this journey. So I hope you understand what is your plan to improve our English. And you know guys, I appreciate your time. I honestly appreciate your time. We will meet in our next video. Bye bye.